This is cool.
So everything you need to make super cute slime.
Hi, my talk back at TV squad.
Emma, what you doing today?
Today I'm gonna be open Jojo Siwa slime.
Oh, Emma's excited for that one.
Yeah.
Show them what you got.
So I got Fluffy.
So it's a slime kit.
Yeah, just like it.
Yes, so it's a Nickelodeon slime.
Yeah, it's so easy to
tell
make.
them how much different slime they have on it.
Then have fluffy slime. Then have
Bold sparkles.
both sparkles, and it's got
Glitter.
glitter,
Rainbow.
rainbow,
Googly.
googly.
Yeah. And this kit it includes bowl shaped storage case.
I don't know what you want to make. It's too much.
You ready to open?
Yeah.
Let's get opening.
Yeah, I'm gonna open right now. Oopsies.
It's okay if you rip it.
Look. This is cool.
So everything you need to make super cute slime. So you got white slime glue. You got the glitter. I'ma just, and then this look like confetti, star confetti. So this one is pink glitter, and this one is purple glitter.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, that's the
That's
the bowl case.
Well, I can't
Bowl
paint my
storage cake.
thingy.
This is
But
so
it's
cute. What color is the bowl storage cake? Case.
It's pink.
Yes, it's pink.
Let's take this
Can you
out.
help? Let me push it up. So this one is slime activator. You got the last one?
The last what? Activated? Oh, cotton.
What you got?
Over there.
And clear slime glue. So this slime kit comes with two bag glitter, 1 bag bowl confetti, Google eyes, 1 bowl shaped storage case, 1 measuring cup, 2 measuring bowls, 6 slime stick, 1 spoon, and easy to follow instruction. Okay, so Emma is ready. So Emma, you need 15 ml of clear glue.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Clear slime glue.
I'm so excited. Could I pour it? 1.
This might take forever. Let me see if I open it. Okay. Alright, there we go.
Oh, that's so hot. That's crazy. It's turning out so crazy. I think so.
Did I run over?
That's enough.
Okay, Emma, this is 15 ml, so pour it in the bowl.
No, not yet.
Pour it in the bowl. Make sure you get all in the bowl.
Were they everywhere?
Yes. Use this stick to get it out. So guys, that's step 1. Okay, so step 2, you're gonna pour 25 ml of water.
Water.
And 25 ml is to the top.
Well, this is really sticky. I think so this is gonna turn out really good.
Okay, let me put it on to make sure. Alright, yes. Okay, I'm gonna slowly pour this into the bowl. Don't spill it.
All?
All of it.
Well,
Did you pour all? It didn't pour, right? Okay.
yeah. This size.
So next you need a half a pack of Emma wanna use pink glitter. Let me pour it in or you got it? Go.
Okay.
Not the whole thing, Emma.
Okay, cause you hold this. Okay.
Go. Okay, let's see now. You can still put some more.
Ooh, guys. It's really golden.
It's like golden.
This is so
So now you
cool.
mix it.
It's like an LOL.
Mix it in, Emma. So next you need 5 ml of the slime activator.
Wait, did you use that already?
No, I used the glue. This is the activator. Let me put it down here.
One? Could I put that?
Yeah. Here, don't spill it. Be careful with activator, kids. Don't make it get in your eyes.
Can I mix it? Oh, this is gonna be together.
Go ahead, it's coming.
It's coming.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
What this watery a little? Whoa!
Just keep mixing it. Then all of them will come. So
Guys, this is so cool.
This is a fun
I
kit
want to
that
touch
you can
it.
make a whole lot of different slime.
Whoa.
Okay, Emma, I think now you can start molding it.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Stretchy. I hope I can make a big bubble with this. A big one. Everybody's touching the bowl. Mommy, could you get a little bit more for me?
A little bit more what?
Slime, because it's really little slime.
Well, you wanted to do it, so go ahead.
You wanted me to do it. I didn't want it to do it. You wanted me to do it first.
You got it?
After this, I'm going to make my thingy. After this, I'm going to make stuff. Guys, this is how the slime come out. But I don't like the texture of it. Well, it's glittery though.
Yeah, at least you can see the glitter, guys. But I don't like the texture either.
Yeah, we will like it. I'm molding it. Still. Mommy, why did you give this to me? A sticky on my hand. Sticky on my hand.
Uh-oh. You got it on your shirt. So, Emma, what do you think about this slime? You like it?
Yeah.
Even though you don't like the texture? Kids always like slime, even if it's a fail or not.
Yeah,
be like, yeah, I still like it.
Yeah, I still like it.
See, you can see the glitter, guys. The glitter is beautiful.
So, Baba, help it like this. Make a big thumbs up.
Guys, don't forget to follow Emma on
Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.
Guys, if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guys, don't forget to hit that bell
To get all the notifications for our videos.
And guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And guys, don't forget to go check out the rest of our videos. I just can't stop looking at the sticky slime on my hand.
Bye-bye.
Making me think my words. We love you and we out.